I just finished the installment of the Shido Lithium ion battery in my 1998 Suzuki GSXR 1100. Here the battery sits. One nice feature is that you can check the charge on the battery. Just press this button here, and if 3 lights are on, the battery is fully charged. One other good thing about this battery is that I saved 3.5 kilograms compared to my old lead acid battery. And here is the box that it came with. And this battery here fits the 1993 to 1998 Suzuki GSXR 1100. This is this side. One other good feature about this, the new lithium ion batteries, is that it has a very low self-discharge, about 5 to 10% every year. That means that you can put a bike away in the autumn time, take it out in the spring and just run it. It's maintenance free, no leaks in a lithium ion battery. Have about 50% more starting capacity than a regular battery, and about 3 times longer lifespan. So lithium ion batteries is the future.